Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the basics so you can act fast. Ensure the printer is powered, connected, and shows online. Once done, open the file and invoke print so you can reproduce the preview error. Make sure to select the intended printer model and note the precise error message text. That string guides targeted fixes. If multiple devices exist, try selecting another to see whether the error is device-specific. This first step narrows causes and prevents wasted troubleshooting down the line. Now you dig into diagnostic actions that resolve most preview failures. Update or reinstall the printer driver because corrupted or mismatched drivers commonly break rendering. Install the vendor's latest package. Next, clear the print spooler by stopping the service, deleting queued files in the spool folder, and restarting the service to remove stuck jobs. Then recreate the problem with a simple PDF or text file and a different app to decide whether the issue is document-specific or system-wide. To finish, revert print settings to defaults and remove any custom margins, headers, or embedded fonts that can crash preview renderers. Then test again. If that fails, run the platform print troubleshooter or fully remove and reinstall the printer from system settings to reset configuration. Once reinstalled, print a test page and open preview. If the error persists, capture the exact error text and collect logs or screenshots. These details let vendor support or forums diagnose deeper issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.